So we look on the internet under search, under financial topics, and we see what people are searching for. And what's interesting is people are searching right now for, will people pay tax in retirement? I'm not quite sure how to answer that question because in the end, yes, the answer is always yes. Will you pay taxes? Yes, you will pay taxes on earned income. So unless you have no income, then you won't pay taxes. But perhaps that question means something more along the lines of, what should you expect to pay in taxes in retirement? And if you think about it, if you had a brokerage account and it has made gains over the years, you sell some things in the brokerage account, you'll pay capital gains tax on what you gained. So if you put in $1 and now it's worth $2 and you sell a dollar's worth, then potentially you have very little tax owed because you're pulling the money out that you put in, or potentially you're paying 50% tax, capital gains tax. So capital gains tax varies based on 0, 15, and 20% rates. So typically, unless you're making over $400,000, you're going to have rates of around 15%, which is a lot cheaper than most people's federal and state tax combined. Another tax would be income tax on an IRA withdrawal. You pay income tax on that. You'll pay income tax on some parts of your Social Security, but not all of it. That depends on what your total income is and how much your Social Security will get taxed. Now, obviously, if you're working part-time in retirement, then your paycheck gets taxed as well. So there's still tax in retirement. The only way to avoid it would be to have everything in cash and maybe a Roth IRA, because Roth IRAs can be withdrawn tax-free. Hope this helps if you're searching for this term. Thanks.